I'm going to show you how you can give yourself unlimited items or unlimited money on Schedule 1. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So basically all you need to do is open the menu, go to settings, and we will use the console for that. So by default you will have this disabled. You need to click right here to enable the console, and after that, as you can see, you need to press the tilde key to toggle the console. If you don't have the tilde key in your keyboard, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where I will show you how you can open the console if you don't have the tilde on your keyboard layout. So after we open the console, we will be able to use a lot of different commands on Schedule 1. For example, we can use the give command that will give a player a specific item. So you can put give, the item you want, and the amount you want. You can also change the player cash balance by the specified amount, so you can give yourself money as well. And this is very easy. Just open the console with the tilde key, or if you don't have it, just watch the tutorial I left below and put give, the item you want, and the amount you want, and that's it. This way you can have unlimited money and items on Schedule 1. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.